After you create a tool deployment, deep linking is enabled by default. From the deployment, you can customize existing links or create new ones for use in the associated org units. Users with the appropriate permissions can also create links directly within the org unit where the tool is deployed. In this video, we'll walk through how to manually create an LTI link. To create an LTI link, open the Admin Tools menu and select External Learning Tools. On the LTI Advantage tab, select an existing deployment. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click View Links. Then click New Link. On the Create Link page, enter the required details. In the Name field, enter the name for the content selector. This name appears in the Brightspace interface wherever the tool is available. In the URL field, enter the launch URL. This is the location users are directed to when they click the content selector. Optionally, add a description to help users understand the purpose of the tool. Next, select a type. The type determines how the link can be used in Brightspace. You can also configure substitution parameters. These parameters are automatically replaced with values from Brightspace at launch, such as course information, user details, or activity data. Finally, you can add custom parameters. These allow tool providers to define static name-value pairs that are sent with each launch. When you are finished, click Save and Close. Now you know how to create an external learning link for LTI Advantage. Thank you for watching.